what's going on, you guys? Thank you so much for clicking on another one of my videos. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I post content related to fitness, finances, and frugal living. I know this video is a long time coming, but I just wanted to film my apartment tour at 22 video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So right off the bat, getting into my apartment, you kind of have this little mudroom area. So if you have like a dog or something, you can put your leash there. But I just have a hat, a mask, some reusable grocery bags, and a place where I keep like my house shoes and a quick pair of shoes to throw on when I'm heading out the door. And then just this little thing from my dad. This used to sit on his dresser, so it's kind of sentimental. I placed my keys, my wallet in there on my way in. Then I just decorated from some stuff I had in my old apartment. So I have my no parking sign, and then just a gift that one of my mentors gave me from Baylor, and then just a box of a really nice wine that I like just as a decoration because that's something that's kind of special for me. This is my kitchen. It is a one bedroom, one bath apartment, so the kitchen takes up the majority of the living space, which I love. I really was looking for a place that had a really nice island like this. So you got a really nice marble countertop. It's beautiful, definitely a lot nicer than I was expecting. And then another kind of a fun perk here, it's a little bit grimy right now, but it's a touchless faucet. So if your hands are dirty from like making food or something, you can kind of just put your hand there and wash your hands. And that's been honestly super nice. Another really nice thing about this apartment that was definitely a huge perk for me is the wine fridge. So this is totally unnecessary and not something I was expecting to have in my first apartment. But honestly, just kind of a fun perk. So I have a really, really small wine collection in here. I think that's a fun gift to give people, and it's thoughtful. If you know they like a certain wine and it's a little bit inexpensive, it's, you know, 10 bucks can go a long way, especially if it's just a wine that you personally had and it's been something special for you. So I definitely like having this, and it is definitely an added perk to this apartment. My sweet potato collection. I don't know why I have these here. It looks kind of artsy, so we'll keep it for the video, but I literally furnished my apartment with mostly IKEA stuff because it's so inexpensive and it gets the job done. So I got like 6 glasses for $5. So it really doesn't get much better than that. And then these are just some meal prep containers, as I've been trying to save money by just buying groceries on Sunday. And that's really my only expense for the week. So I'm definitely saving a lot of money right now doing that. Definitely recommend getting some meal prep containers. If you look right here, this is just gonna be kind of my mini bar, wet bar area. And this is gonna be my carafe that my mom gave me because neither of my parents drink, so she did not want it at her house. But I think it looks really cool for my apartment, really fits the aesthetic. This makes it look like I'm like a raging alcoholic or something.
I just figured she was a raging alcoholic.
But I promise this is just for entertaining purposes, and I rarely dip into the collection. But if you want just a really fun coffee on like a rainy day, splash little babies in there. Again, we just have some of my dishes. This is from World Market, and then this is just random mason jars and stuff. I literally got most of my possessions from Target, Walmart, IKEA, World Market, and only buy on a sale. Right here, these glasses were also super bougie, and they were $100 a glass. So I definitely like to spend a little bit more money on the things that matter. Guys, I'm totally kidding. This was like 60 cents at IKEA, and it looks like super bougie. I'm gonna do some B-roll of like me pouring some wine into this glass or something because it looks so high end, and it was literally like, it was like $1. This is my pantry, so this is where most of my food goes, other than my sweet potato collection, of course. And I definitely go hard on the supplement grind. So I have some vegan protein that I really like. I do have my nice bulk stevia. This is a game changer if you're trying to cut out those sweeteners and sugars. I am a little bit sentimental. I really like watches. I don't have like a watch case or anything like that, but this is gonna be just my small watch collection. This is my diffuser I got on Amazon. It is great if you're just trying to set the mood with some like lavender, peppermint oil, but I like to keep it pretty minimal. Right here we have my trash can. This is like a $120 trash can. But one of my ex-roommates left this at our house, and he said I could keep it. So, you know your boy's been using it. I'm not gonna, that's it on the trash can. Right here is the really awesome couch that I got. It is a Rove Concepts Duke. So if you haven't watched that video, I will link that with one of the cards. You can check that out. I love this couch. It is super comfortable, really supportive. anything you could ever ask for in a best friend. I mean, couch. So if you watch some of my other videos, I filmed some videos out here, but I really like this space just because I can go out in the morning and drink my coffee and I don't know, just like be quiet and kind of meditate or journal and whatnot. But definitely something that I want to take more advantage of in the future. Right now, I just have a little place to dry my clothes. You're not really supposed to do that at this complex, but I get away with it by tucking it in this corner here. But I do want to get some planters and do like a little herb thing so that like when I'm making dinner, I can just like come out here, grab some rosemary or something, and I don't know, that's the dream. Definitely gonna get there before I move out of this place. But yeah, guys, that is the balcony. Got this on I got this on like a regular Wednesday, just kidding. This was like 200 bucks at Walmart, and I hung it with amount I got from IKEA. And I have this very common Wayfair TV stand. It's like 100 bucks. Looks super clean, modern. I want to get some more art and stuff on the walls because it is kind of echoey in here. So if you are like Red Dot or any of those like poster companies, want to send your boy some art, some posters, hit me up because I would gladly. I see this space right here is just screaming for just a massive statement art piece. So if you're like a freelance artist, a poster company or anything, please send me some art. A welcome addition to the apartment is this Nest thermostat. This thing is sweet. You don't realize how nice it is until you actually have it, but it has an app on your phone. When you leave, it turns off your AC, so you save a ton on your electricity. So definitely feel super special having my Nest thermostat. The only other thing in the main living area we haven't touched on is the Sonos speakers in the ceiling. So that's playing through my ceiling right now. Trying to stay copyright free because your boy needs to pay the bills. But those things are awesome. My alarm at 4:45 actually plays through those speakers, and I just let the music play for the rest of the morning. And yeah, it is great. Definitely one of those things you didn't know you needed until you had it. Now, welcome addition to every one of my future homes. One thing that's also super nice about having such a small apartment is have a full washer and dryer. My next cheat code is get the detergent that has this little thingy on it and just leave it above. So you open this, bam, you don't even have to measure it. You eyeball that. We can go over my bedroom really quick. I was kind of against having like a workplace in my bedroom because I want this to be a place that I can come, relax, and just recharge for the rest of the day. But with working from home, I definitely wanted to have a designated work area. I don't even have like an office chair. This is supposed to be on my balcony right now. I found this in the trash room of my apartment complex. So you know your boy's getting those steals. You see the marble and the touchless faucet and all that stuff. You're like, wow, this guy must be such a baller. No, I literally furnished my house with trash.
I have made my own little coffee device out of an old sock, a cup, and a twisty tie.
I got this bed frame from a friend, and then I ordered my mattress on Amazon. I will link that in the description because this mattress is like super firm, super comfortable, but has like a nice plush top that I really like. And then I literally got these sheets from like Ross or Marshalls or something for like, the sheets were actually kind of expensive, but they're really soft. You're putting your face on that like every night. Definitely worth it. The side table I got on Facebook Marketplace for literally like $5. Look on Facebook Marketplace, IKEA. You don't have to spend a lot of money to have like a nice, refined, modern look in your apartment. These are some plants that I'm house sitting for my girlfriend because her AC in her apartment and just the lighting situation is not quite as great for the plant life. So they're living here right now. They have names. If you guys are curious, we might talk about in that another video. This is like I don't even know what it's called. It's like the IKEA mirror everybody has. It's like $120, so a little bit more expensive for something you don't necessarily need. But with just kind of a box of a room, with the one window that I try to keep closed for that soft light, this definitely makes the space feel a lot bigger. Something else I really want to do is add some plants. But other than that, let's take you on to the bathroom. All right, so the bathroom is honestly one of the reasons I got this apartment. It is so much nicer than something that I need. And most of the apartments and the one bedroom setup have a dual sink, but I don't need two sinks. I wanted the counter space. And I just love this setup. And one of the core things, especially for the selfies, I don't really take advantage of this, is the lighting in here is insane. Like, I don't know if it's like showing on the camera right now, but like, yeah, lighting out here, that thing is next level. I don't like taking baths. If I did have a bathtub, I would want like one of those like standalone bathtubs and then a shower. I don't really like in apartments how they have like the built-in bath and then the thing. I know it's super normal and that's probably like super pretentious of me to say, but I just really wanted a bathroom that had like a legit standing shower with like a glass door. And it's seriously one of the reasons I picked this apartment. It's so nice. I cannot be happier with this shower. I love this closet. It's definitely more space than I need. Little shoe area, all of my work clothes, my 2 work pants. I literally rotate through these same 2 pairs of pants when I am working in the office. They're from Lulu, and these things, I will literally make an entire video on using these work pants because they're the Commission Pant Classic in the 32-inch length. My personal clothes, my best friend gives me crap all the time because I literally just wear black, white, and gray. But it always matches. So it takes all the guesswork out of getting dressed in the morning. I literally rotate through probably the same 2 or 3 outfits every week, and I just like to keep it simple. And then I just keep my socks and underwear in these 2 little bins. I got these at Walmart, so again, literally the most inexpensive way I could have furnished this apartment. Just back here, I keep my golf clubs, my guitar, a pull-up rack that doesn't fit on my doorways. I guess that's one thing I haven't really touched on, is these doorways. So I'm 5'10", and I have like abnormally long arms, and doorways are like 8 or 9 feet. But definitely a perk. That was something I really wanted and didn't expect to get. I could not be happier with this apartment. But to wrap up the video, let's kick it over. Let's kick it out here. That is the modern apartment tour at 22. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I definitely want to keep posting consistently on this channel, and your likes, comments, and subscriptions mean the world. So please subscribe. I have like a 5% subscriber rate per view. So please, if you're watching this video, helps me out a ton if you subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions or other videos that you'd like to see in the future. And once again, I'm super thankful for you guys. Keep grinding.